I'm William, and I'm a Belgian civil and geotechnical engineer working on building offshore wind turbines. So I mainly focus on the geotechnical design and installation aspects of these structures. So I started OffshoreWind4Kids to teach children about engineering technology and renewable energy. In particular, I want to encourage more girls to learn about science and engineering. I want to organize demo days around the world where children can play around with small-scale versions of these structures. I also want to stimulate innovation and bring awareness of offshore wind to the general public. The Floating Wind University Challenge is an international student competition where groups of students will have to design the best floating wind support structure. They will then have to build a small-scale version of it and test it in the lab. So the technology of floating wind is at an early stage in its development. We see sites across the world with deep waters where floating wind will be of particular use. And we need bright minds to come up with new and innovative designs which will help drive down the costs of floating wind. The challenge runs in the academic year of 2021 to 2022 and concludes with a competition held at the Maritime Lab in Europe. A panel will then evaluate the design reports and the performance of the structures in the lab, and more details of the exact design requirements and the registration will follow closer to the start of the competition. I'm setting up hubs for OffshoreWind4Kids in countries around the world. These hubs will serve to organize demo days and school workshops. And besides that, I will also be supporting the organization of the Floating Wind University Challenge. I hope that this will encourage kids and students to get involved in the green transition. I hope to see you at the next OffshoreWind4Kids demo day.